Holi, the Indian festival of colors, is the most colorful and joyful festival celebrated by Indians and non-Indians around the world. With color splash, water play, music, dance and food, this centuries-old festival brings families, friends and communities together. To share as why we celebrate Holi, I have created a drama play to involve all the children. A fantastic incursion for schools, outside school hours care, kindies, daycare center or wherever the children are. This is definitely a wonderful festival to involve all the children. I am looking forward to bringing Holi to you. For further information, please visit the website www.roushini.com.